This was one of the worst days of the year for the stock market and the millions of Americans invested in it. All three major indexes were sharply lower, including a 317-point drop for the Dow. It has now given up all of its gains for the year. For the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq, the loss today amounted to about 2% as rattled investors dumped their stock. Anthony Mason, our senior business correspondent, is in Chicago tonight. And Anthony, what's behind the sell-off?
Well, James, 96% of the stocks in the S&P 500 fell today, and there was no single catalyst. Argentina's default was just one in a series of bad headlines, but traders are saying the market was really overdue for a sell-off. Look at the Dow, which is up nearly 7% in the past year. The S&P is up more than 14%. The Nasdaq has soared more than 20% in a year. The rally traders were saying is just getting tired.
And Anthony, what impact will tomorrow's job numbers have?
Well, perversely, James, good news could be bad news tomorrow. Traders in Wall Street are very worried that strong job numbers will mean the Fed will start raising interest rates soon. So they're kind of hoping for a Goldilocks number, one that's neither too hot nor too cold, James.
Thank you, Anthony, and we'll see you tomorrow for those job numbers.